The biggest truth in the world. Very few people know it. Once you know it, your lifestyle can completely change. Your brain can no longer handle normal life. What if the exhaustion you feel every day isn't laziness, but a warning signal from your brain? Modern neuroscience is revealing something alarming. For the first time in human history, the human brain is exposed to an unprecedented amount of information. Stress, distractions, notifications, and stimulation. Scientists believe this constant overload may be pushing millions of people into survival mode. The frightening part? Most people don't even realize it's happening. If you've been feeling mentally drained, emotionally numb, anxious, distracted, overwhelmed, or exhausted for no clear reason, your brain may be under chronic stress. Every notification, every deadline, every sleepless night, every pressure-filled day sends the same message to your nervous system. This may explain what's happening. Stay alert, stay ready, stay on guard. The human brain evolved to handle short-term threats, not endless stress, constant stimulation, and a world that never stops. Yet, modern life keeps the nervous system activated far longer than it was designed for. Over time, the effects begin to appear. Focus becomes weaker, memory becomes less reliable, motivation fades. Emotional balance becomes harder to maintain, and normal life starts feeling exhausting. Research shows that prolonged stress can affect brain systems involved in attention, memory, emotional regulation, and decision-making. In simple terms, the brain begins prioritizing survival instead of growth. This is why so many people feel trapped in cycles of anxiety, burnout, brain fog, and mental exhaustion. Then comes another hidden factor: sleep. Modern science shows that quality sleep is essential for brain recovery, emotional processing, learning, memory consolidation, and mental clarity. When stress disrupts sleep, the brain loses one of its most powerful repair mechanisms, creating a cycle of fatigue, poor concentration, emotional exhaustion, and reduced resilience. But there is good news. The brain is remarkably adaptable. Through a process known as neuroplasticity, it can reorganize itself, form healthier neural pathways, recover from effects of chronic stress when right conditions are provided. As stress decreases, sleep improves, physical activity increases, and the nervous system begins to feel safe again. Focus can improve, energy can return, emotions can stabilize, and mental clarity can gradually come back. Because this isn't simply weakness, and it isn't laziness. It may be the biological consequence of living in an environment that places continuous demands on a brain that evolved for a very different world. And the most surprising discovery: your brain may not be working against you. It may be trying to protect you. Understanding this could completely change the way you see your thoughts, your emotions, your habits, and your life. Comment below. I choose health. This content is based on established neuroscience research. Full studies are linked below.